Ever wondered about turning your resolutions into a roadmap for your best year yet in 2024? Ready to quietly redefine your path to success? Prioritize your well-being. Stay focused and healthy with simple exercises and mindfulness, and ensure adequate rest. Routine checks and maintenance prevent breakdowns, increase fuel efficiency, and save you from costly repairs later. Craft your annual budget, plan for fuel, maintenance, and unexpected costs. Create a financial roadmap for a successful journey. Master the clock. Optimize routes. Use technology to predict traffic and strategically plan rest breaks for a productive journey. Engage with the trucking community. Participate in forums, attend events, and connect with like-minded professionals. Learn and grow to stay relevant. Invest in your skill set and propel your career to new heights. Here's to rolling strong in 2024 and achieving your aspirations on and off the road.